Car crashes are the leading cause of serious injury or death for children. 4 out of 5 car seats are used incorrectly. Rear-facing seats provide the most protection for a child during a crash. The American Academy of Pediatrics advises parents to keep toddlers rear-facing until they are at least 2 years of age or have reached the maximum height or weight limit for their rear-facing seat. There are 2 types of rear-facing seats you can choose from: rear-facing only, most referred to as an infant seat, or a rear-facing convertible. Always review your car seat manual for instructions on how to use it safely and properly. To install a rear-facing car seat, first identify which rear seating position you will use. Next, check the recline angle of the seat. Review the car seat manual on how it is identified and can be adjusted. The correct angle is important to support an open airway. Identify the installation method. You can either use the vehicle seatbelt or lower anchors. To install the seat using lower anchors, refer to your vehicle owner's manual to identify which seating positions have them available. Next, identify the belt path and attach each lower anchor connector to the vehicle's lower anchor. Once attached, pull the belt to remove any remaining slack. Make sure the seat does not move more than 1 inch from side to side or forward at the belt path. Check the angle once more to verify it is correct. To install a car seat rear-facing using your vehicle seat belt, identify the correct belt path. Thread the seat belt through the belt path. Make sure there are no twists and buckle it in. Next, identify how to lock the vehicle seatbelt. For this car seat installation, we need to manually lock the seatbelt by pulling it all the way out, switching it to locking mode. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for more information on how to lock the seatbelt. To secure the seat, apply pressure down towards the vehicle seat and pull any remaining slack. Make sure the seat does not move more than 1 inch from side to side or forward at the belt path. Check the angle once more to verify it is correct. Next, we will review harnessing. Before placing a child in the seat, remove any swaddles, bulky clothing, or additional layers. Place the child in the seat so they are in an upright position and not slouching. Position the harness straps at or below the child's shoulders. Review the car seat manual for instructions on how to adjust. Place the harness straps around the child's shoulders and over the top of the child's legs as close to their hips as possible. Buckle each clip in. Make sure the harness isn't twisted. Next, pull any additional slack from the hips up towards the child's shoulders before tightening. Slowly pull the adjuster strap to tighten the harness. You should not be able to pinch any of the webbing at the child's shoulders. The harness should fit snugly on the child's body. Position the chest clip on the child's chest at armpit level. Keep children rear-facing until they have reached the upper height or weight limit for their rear-facing convertible seat before transitioning them to the next stage. Thank you for watching, and thank you to our funder, J.H. Walker Foundation, for their support in making these videos possible to keep our next generation safe. For more information on child passenger safety, visit www.pediatrictrauma.org.